Is it time to buy or sell Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF? In this video, we will explore Ishares Bitcoin Trust in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024. And now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, click the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 14th of October, 2024, our system has identified Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.94. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis have experienced a remarkable gain of 50.36% since we initially designated Ishares Bitcoin Trust as a buy candidate 30 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.68% each day since it was classified as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 49.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 22.39% to 49.05%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it predicts a change of around 27.49% over the next year, with a potential return between negative 25.16% and 14.66%. This corresponds to a price range of between $42.28 to $64.77 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Ishares Bitcoin Trust features the headline, Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate following the trading session on Friday. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF price increased by 1.06% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, rising from $55.90 to $56.49. It has now experienced gains for 4 consecutive days. It will be intriguing to see whether it continues this upward trend or takes a brief pause in the coming days. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 2.78%, with a low of $55.32 and a high of $56.86. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 29.3% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume decreased on the last day by 26 million shares, with a total of 65 million shares traded, equating to approximately $3.67 billion. It is important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $56.86, while the lowest price was $22.02. Currently, the price is 0.65%, or 37 cents, below the 52-week high of $56.86, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Bitcoin has reached an impressive milestone, breaching the $98,000 mark and heading toward the much-anticipated $100,000. The recent uptick of about 9.3% illustrates a robust post-election rally, further buoyed by influential figures like Mike Novogratz, who emphasized the pro-Bitcoin sentiment within Donald Trump's cabinet. Analysts such as Craig Johnson notably predict that Bitcoin could target $130,000, reflecting optimism in its long-term potential. The market's excitement is also driven by the introduction of options trading on Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, especially with BlackRock's Ishares Bitcoin ETF seeing heightened interest. The accessibility and regulated environment provided by such ETFs are likely to attract more institutional investors, enhancing liquidity and stability within the cryptocurrency market. As Bitcoin's performance improves, volatility seems to be diminishing, suggesting confidence in the sustainability of this recent bull run. Short-term impacts may lead to increased trading volumes and price surges for related assets. Meanwhile, in the long term, the integration of Bitcoin into traditional financial products could solidify its position as a mainstream investment, potentially driving IBIT's stock price higher as investor sentiment becomes increasingly bullish on Bitcoin's future. The following signals have been identified for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. Today, the chart reveals predominantly positive signals. The Ishares Bitcoin Trust exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around the levels of $53.26 and $42.66. A decline below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. A buy signal was initiated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, the 6th of September, 2024, and since then, the price has increased by 85.76%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 56 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 10 days ago. The short-term moving average displayed a buy signal 14 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 48 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average provided a buy signal 32 days ago. The long-term moving average also showed a buy signal 32 days ago. The connection between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $52.13 and $51.04. There is a natural risk when an ETF is testing a support level, as a break here may lead to a fall to the next support level. In this case, Ishares Bitcoin Trust finds support just below today's level at $52.13. If this breaks, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $51.04 and $43.40. This ETF may experience significant movement throughout the day, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF moved $1.54 between its high and low, which is 2.78%. For the past week, the ETF has had a daily average volatility of 3.11%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Ishares Bitcoin Trust. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Ishares Bitcoin Trust encounters its first support level at $52.13. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $55.01, which reflects a decrease of 2.62%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a notably high level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index is at 94, further heightening this risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was established 55 days ago. Is the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for the Ishares Bitcoin Trust ETF to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this ETF from a strong buy to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we expect the Ishares Bitcoin Trust to open lower by 267 cents and begin trading at $56.22. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current perspective on the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.